Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning.
Good
గట్టిగా కూర్చోను.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
morning, ma'am.
Are you fine?
Ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Today I am going to read a story, A Big Fish for Max. Okay? So, until other students get joined, I'll be just reading, then I'll start sharing the screen. You have to just listen me, children. Don't see here and there. Please follow, and so that you can attempt your exam carefully and get good marks. I mean, out of complete 10 by 10, you all can score well. Okay. So once I'm starting the story, it is only for reading purpose. Please do follow. Then I will show you it on the screen. I wish I had a fish to eat, said Max. Then we will catch a big fish, said Grandma. We can walk to the park, said Ruby, and Max will catch a big fish. Good, said Max. Yum, yum, yum. The path in the park led to the pond. Max can fish in this pond, said Ruby. Max sat. He got a red ball in his net, but no fish bit. Then Max got a black chip in his net, but no fish bit. Then Max got a clam shell in his net. I want to call the fish, said Ruby. Then I can talk to the fish, but still no fish bit. Well, we can all walk to the fish shop, said Grandma. And we can talk to the fish man. The fish man had lots of fish in a box. We want a fresh fish, said Grandma. That fat fish is good. At home, Grandma put the fish in a hot pan. Then Ruby put the fish in a dish. Yum, 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 said Max. Did you all listen, children? Yes. So now I'm going to explain this story. It is one kind of tongue twister. It is also like a story. It is also like a poem. So there were few friends, Grandma along with them. They all want to eat fish. What they thought? They thought that let us go and catch fresh fish and then start cooking on that, and we'll eat the fresh dish of a fish. Then they went to the pond. There they want to catch a fish. But when they started catching fish, just by spreading the net in the pond, nobody was able to catch the fish, children. The names of the friends are Max, Ruby, and only these two children, Max and Ruby. So grandma told, when Max has spreaded the net in the pond, what did he get? He got a red ball in the net. He got a red ball in the net. And when Ruby has thrown a net in the pond, Ruby got a black ship. Black ship, it means it was like a toy. Somebody, when they throw in the pond, after throwing the net, Ruby got that black ship in the net. Then they got upset. Oh no, we did not get any fish. Even after throwing the net, we tried to catch the fish, but we didn't get any kind of fish, Grandma. Then Grandma told that, okay, don't worry, let us go to the fish shop. If we get the fresh fish in that shop, we can take it to home and get it cooked. Then what happened? Max, Ruby, and Grandma all went to the fish shop. There they started talking to Fishman, who was the owner of the shop. Then Grandma told that we want a fish, a fresh fish. Then the shop owner said, Veda is getting mouth water. Huh? You want to eat fish? So Grandma told that we want a fresh fish. Fish shopman told that, okay, Grandma, here's a fresh fish, which is the fat one. This is a good one. You can take it this. It is a fresh fish. Then Grandma took that fish, brought it to home, put it on the hot pan, and Ruby put it in the, they started to cook that dish, and after cooking, they kept it in their plate and started to eat that. Yum, 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 taking nice its taste and started eating. Okay, so now once again I'm going to read this story. Will you follow? Now I'm going to share the screen, children. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Everyone please follow so that you can see on the screen when I'm reading that.